Okay, we got it up and functioning now. USB into the bag. So, let's see what we got here. That's flat.
I ain't got no time, I can't decide. We ain't tripping cause we all in. You know we all in. All my niggas quitting hitting up with garbage. Just might see my young nigga pulling up with y'all bitch. Pick the shovels up and did it over tall bitch. They put that phone down, man, fucking penny girl. They put some money in bitches over in the penny girl. Now $100 for some diamonds in your penny, get your titty fit. Brother took the streets and private just outside the city shit. One thing I can't stand is a pity hole. Can't keep your business to yourself, don't go to chili food. By where you
Another one out the door. Man, today I'm with my man Puckett. Puckett, man, what we got here, man?
This is a 1966 Falcon with a 302 in it, T5.
And you built this off the internet?
Yeah, I sat back, I told myself as I'm getting older, we've been flipping cars around here for a long time, but we go from shop to shop. So I say, as I get up there in age and I look for little hobbies and shit to do, knowing that I'm handy with my hands, let me go ahead and find me a little old school that I'm familiar with so I could go ahead and start teaching myself how to, do some things. I took this little online course in auto body and paint and tried to do a little painting. And, I actually took this 302, took a 302 and bust the whole engine down. So I got rebuild experience under my belt from the crankshaft all the way to the top.
Okay, and was it a stick originally?
No, it was a six banger in here. I found a nice little website that kind of went step by step on how to rebuild the T5. So I gutted this and replaced this here and actually got this little hunk of junk on the road.
Well,
so.
I got a question. I see some AC vents. You AC working?
Yeah, actually what I did was I put the AC kit in here. Unfortunately, the motherfuckers at Old Air Products sold me for the 6.6 Mustang. And the dilemma that I am having is with if I have it with me, it's actually with it's with the face, right? So they had it on their catalog as it was for a 6667 Falcon, but as you can see, the face is for a Mustang, and where I'm planning on placing it at, which is right here, I have this big huge gap in there. So I need somebody to fabricate me a spacer so that way it can mount flush. Now if it was this way, I wouldn't have a problem. But being that it's for the Mustangs where they mount here, that's my dilemma with the AC. So, but as far as whether it's functioning, the AC worked good. I just don't have nowhere to mount it.
Okay. Hey, man, all right.
So,
I just want to document to let people know. People know things, and I know people know some things. And Puckett, man, is making it happen. We finna get on down to this music shop, and see if we can come up with some solutions to get some music going up in there.
So for all you haters, when you see me coming, just know I took my liberty in trying to teach myself how to spray. And what I'm willing to live with my blemishes. So when you see me, don't pretend like this is something that I done spent $6,000-7,000 on. It only cost me $450 in material and about 3 weekends in time. So,
but you got labor and you got time and you got experience building up. So when you get on to the next one, it'd be even more better.
I got a 6.7 Mustang sitting in the yard right now, waiting for me to get.
So this was a test pilot. So
exactly.
When you get details worked out on this, hey, we don't, and don't be coming bugging me when you see us paint there. Do my shit now, nigga.
No, this project only.
Okay, y'all hear him?
All right,
we out.
One.
Let's go. Oh, and we a stick. What? You hear that? Oh, okay. So run pretty good in the freeway, Puckett?
Yeah, you going?
Watch out, cars over there. Just go to the corner and make a view. Power steering?
No.
Oh, okay. Once you start moving, it's okay. You survive that.
It actually ain't as rough as you would think.
Oh, okay. We want San Jose that way.
Which you know of.
Oh, yeah, I know. Hey, y'all hear him? We out. Raced up. Go ahead and back it in, Puckett. Give me enough space so we don't hit the 6.4 when you open the door.
Yeah.
Actually, move it over here. Because you're going to hit this when you open that. Put it over here and I'll pull the blue truck out. So bring it close. You ain't got no mirrors. Over here. Said earlier I should have been time-lapsing photographer in this, but we got a Zap board up in here going. We got some other stuff. 9s in the back window. My man said, Rob, just do what you do. If you don't talk to me, let me do what I want to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do. So these Falcons, you know, these Falcons are known for splitting gas tanks, and so people who get them custom boxes built into the trunk, slant boards, you're gonna regret that shit. What gonna happen, Puckett? They gonna do what? The gas tank gonna start to leak. So if you're looking closely at this picture, you can see what I did, and we're gonna keep it in the box. So you know, we're gonna see. We're gonna hear it, put it that way. We've been at this all day since 8 o'clock this morning, y'all. Cut the motor for a second, Puckett. Cut the gas. Cut the key. No, turn it off for a second. Turn it off. And what we got here? Got the two L7s, battery, amplifiers, little Dynomat action. Man, this was an all day labor of love. We're gonna see it when he buff him out, get him on shine. It's a work in progress. Tires like he going fast, huh, y'all? We done, Puckett?
We done.
All day, babe. All day.
Right on, Money.
Appreciate you, man.
Money's car, stereo, and audio, man. Bringing back to cars.
What size shirt you wear, Play? We got to get you a shirt. You done put some time in with me today, man.
I'm a XL.
XL? You show you XL. You show?
I'm positive.
Okay, I'm gonna XL you up, baby. Be right back.
I'm a XL.
Man, what you got there, man? It's official,
It's
man.
official.
Pop it out the bag, man.
This is official. Big
Well, you
Money,
saying you gonna throw it on now?
audio.
You ain't got no heater up in that joint.
No, I don't need no. Yeah, see, that's official.
Okay,
Yeah,
you see it.
Yeah, most definitely. See, I got me a Money's and I got me a Find 'em and Flip 'em. So
Oh,
yeah,
Phil.
I'm getting certified.
If you watching this, Phil, I need my finding and flipping shirt, man. You know what I'm saying? I bless you with a Money's car stereo. You got one of my products in your main office over there. Okay, yeah, you good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Once again, right on, Money.
All right, for sure, man.
Yeah.
All right, let me move this vehicle out. Once again, we out of here.